Hello and welcome to the Complete Python Bootcamp. My name is Jose Portilla and I will be your instructor for this course. I've taught thousands of students on Udemy about data science, and I'm excited to teach even more students about the complete ins and outs of the Python programming language. This course is designed to take you from zero to hero in Python in an easy and fun fashion. So why learn Python? Python is one of the most useful programming languages to know, and in recent years, skill demand for Python has exploded in the job market. With this course, it's easy to learn, and it's a very powerful tool for implementing your own ideas with Python. So who is this course for? This course is suitable for beginners that have never programmed, programmers coming in from another language, and finally, programmers who know the basics of Python syntax but want to bring their knowledge to the next level with the advanced topics presented in this course. So what's the course like? We'll start off by getting Python up and running on your computer, regardless of your operating system, whether you're using Windows, Mac, or Linux. Then, you'll get lifetime access to over 100 lectures discussing everything from basic Python syntax to the advanced topics and modules in Python. Each lecture includes a video screencast with clear concept explanations, as well as entire notebooks filled with both code and written explanations, so you can learn in whatever way is best for you. There's tests, quizzes, and homework assignments all along the way to check your understanding. This course is also project-based, with milestone projects where you will create games with Python, including a final capstone project. You'll also learn how to avoid common mistakes in Python, and learn best programming practices, such as code formatting and object-oriented programming. Once you complete this course, you'll feel extremely confident putting Python programming on your resume. More importantly, you'll learn to have a lifelong love of programming, and there's a 30-day money-back guarantee. If you're unsatisfied in any way, you get your money back, no questions asked. You'll also be able to keep the over 100 lecture notes as a thank you for trying out the course. Check out the next preview video for a full curriculum overview of the entire course. So what are you waiting for? Enroll in the course today and learn the power of Python programming.